Welcome to Custom Music Distribution. This is a video tutorial on how to retarget record labels. Going to create a campaign name. Going to select a budget and then click on Set Up Ad Account. You're going to make sure all of this is correct and then click Continue. Going to create an ad set name. Going to select where you're going to drive your traffic. Scroll down. Here we've saved the audience for the record label executives. I didn't personally save it, but you should have it. It'll pop up here, so you'll choose that. And then you'll also choose the custom audience we've created in the previous video. We're going to leave it at United States and the age. Going to leave gender. You can choose to save this audience. We'll keep it at automatic placements. I'm going to click this. You're going to click on link click for when you get charged, which is over here. And then you're going to click on continue. Create an ad name. Choose your Facebook and Instagram account. And then you have two choices. You can either use an existing post or you can create a new ad. If you create a new ad, you'll select the media here. And then here is where you'll write a message to the record labels. And then for the headline, you can put record labels sign me, whatever you want to put here. This is where you'll enter the website. For the call to action, we're going to click on listen now, watch more, and then when you finish completing the ad, you're going to click on confirm.